Hi, it's Pat here from Videopro, and today we're going to run through an overview of the Blue Square Labs interactive panel. These panels come in 3 different sizes ranging from 65-inch all the way up to 86-inch, and the one that we have here is the 75-inch version. Some of the features include a 13mm bezel, which gives it a nice slim and sleek aesthetic. It also boasts slim IR, which means you get a really responsive panel, which gives it a paper and pen feel to the touch response. The soundbar on this panel has also had an upgrade. It features 2 20-watt speakers and also boasts a subwoofer, so it gives you a high power output with an enhanced lower end. The Android platform has also seen an upgrade as we've now moved to Android 8. This gives you high-speed Wi-Fi and you get more processing power, which means you can run more apps more smoothly. It also gives you an HDMI out, which means that you can run the panel out to projectors, which means that you can use this panel in your big halls and auditoriums. Moving over to the app side of things, there was 2 apps that we really wanted to focus on. They were the whiteboarding app, which can be found in the middle of the Android platform on the home screen, and the wireless presentation app that can be found under More, and you can see the eShare application at the top right-hand corner. We go into more detail about these apps later in the series. There are also a whole range of customization options available, from adding apps to customizing your home screen and even changing the names of the inputs. You can make this interactive panel your own. If you'd like to learn more about the Blue Square Labs interactive panel, check out the other videos in the series.